let's take just a minute and talk about how to manage or edit relationships that you've already created. So from the Home tab, you can launch the Manage Relationships dialog box. That's going to list out all of the relationships that exist in your model. It's where you can create or auto-detect brand new relationships or edit or delete existing ones. And from here, you can either select a specific relationship or double-click the relationship line in the model view to open up the Edit Relationship box. And this is where you can modify a relationship, right? You can change the primary key by selecting a different field. You can change the cardinality, the cross-filter direction, make the relationship active or inactive. And again, we're going to talk about what all of those features actually mean in just a bit. But for now, let's jump into Power BI and just practice making some modifications to the relationships in our model. All right, so here we are in our AdventureWorks report. We're in the model view. We've got these relationships that we created in the last lesson. Let's see if we can make some modifications to these. Now, remember we talked about this relationship between sales and calendar and how we're connecting date to the order date field in the sales data table? Well, what if we changed our mind and now we want this relationship to connect to the stock date field instead? Well, we can head to Manage Relationships. Here we see the 4 relationships that we created. We can click on the one that we care about, which is our sales data connection to the calendar lookup. And we can edit that relationship to open up this dialog box. And here it's as simple as just clicking the stock date column from our sales data table and treating that as our foreign key connecting to the date primary key in our calendar. And now if we go ahead and press OK and close, now when we hover over that relationship line, note that the stock date column or field in the sales data table is now highlighted instead of order date. And we can do the exact same thing by simply double clicking on that relationship line. That's going to take us straight to the Edit Relationship dialog box where we can make that edit once more and switch back to the order date field. So that looks good. Last thing I want to show you is how simple and easy it is to delete and recreate relationships here. So let's take our customer lookup relationship to sales. If for whatever reason we wanted to delete this relationship, you can simply right click that line instead of going to the Manage Relationships box and click Delete, confirm, and it's gone. And now we can go back to grab our customer key, connect it to the primary, and it's back. So in a matter of about 5 seconds, we're able to delete and recreate that table relationship. So there you have it, just a quick demo to show you how simple and intuitive it is to manage and update relationships inside of Power BI's model view.